Hi, I'm Joey, and today we're going to show you how to assemble a hookah. For those of you who don't know, a hookah is a Middle Eastern water pipe that is used for smoking tobacco. And the reason to use a hookah or other type of water pipe is because you have an apparatus filled with water that the smoke travels through before you actually smoke it. And what this does is it has a cooling effect on the smoke, making it smoother and a more pleasant smoke. To get us started, Bill is going to explain all the pieces of the hookah, and he is going to get us started in the assembly process.
My name is Bill, and we will be going through the main parts of the hookah. This right here is known as the base. This long piece is the stem. You have your coal trays, your coals, your choice of tobacco, and in this case we've chosen kiwi. You also have your bowl, which you will fill with tobacco, which we have done here. You also have a 3x3 piece of aluminum foil, along with your rubber tube stoppers and a set of tongs. You also have your hoses. And the first step is to fill your vase with cold water. And you want to do this to about just below the neck of the vase. And of course you want to do it with cold water to create the soothing effect that a hookah will give you. And now we've completed the first step in assembling the hookah. And now David will continue assembling the hookah.
Now with that done, we take the vase and we need to insert the stem into the top of the vase. But the first thing to do is to wet the rubber knob right here so it goes in a little bit easier. So with that done, we simply just insert it in and make sure it's nice and snug. The next thing to do is to put your rubber stoppers in their respected locations. And once again, just make sure these are nice and snug and you'll be alright. The next part is to take your hoses and insert those into the rubber stoppers. The silver tipped end is the end you smoke with, so those obviously don't go in those ends. So just put these right in the rubber stoppers, and once again, make sure they're snug. With that done, the final part is to take your coal tray, which catches all the ashes, and put it right on top. So with this all done, Joey's going to show you what to do with the tobacco.
Before your hookah is ready to go, is to make your bowl. And what you want to do is you want to take your bowl, and you want to have a flat surface to do this on. And your main goal for creating a good bowl is you want to loosely pack the bowl with the tobacco that's just below the lip of the bowl. And the reason for this is that after you have put the foil on top of the bowl, if the foil is touching the tobacco will begin to burn and it will begin to get very hot. So after you pack your bowl, the next thing to do is you want to take your piece of aluminum foil and you want to tightly close it around the edge of the bowl, like so. And after that's done, you want to take a sharp instrument such as a toothpick or something of that effect, and you want to poke holes that are in a circle around the foil, like so. There's no exact method to it. You don't want to put too much or too little, and you don't really want to make them too big. About the size of a toothpick will do. And after you have that done, what you want to do is you want to place the bowl on top of the stem, like so. And after that, you want to begin to light your coals. And how you do this, in this case, is you take your coals and you place them on top of a stove or a hot plate on top of the coils like this. And you want to turn the setting all the way up to high. And the coals will begin to burn red when they're ready, but this may take a few minutes, so we are going to go relax while these coals cook, and we will be back when it's done. Now, as you can see, the coals are beginning to glow red, which indicates that they're just about done. So what you want to do now, carefully take the coals from your heat source and place them on top of the foil, like so. And after you have done that, your hookah is ready to enjoy.